This yard is pretty wild. They actually have clotheslines connected to the wall in spots. And there's so many clotheslines. You see the zigzag of them everywhere? So many. I'm gonna have to hide my Sony from the sun for a while. It's actually starting to get really hot. Like, you can't touch it for too long. It's mostly just walkway right here, and there's a cafe up front. There's several of those. There's one back there that sells drinks and ice cream. There's one there, and I know a little past there, we're gonna be able to see our apartment. Yeah, we can see the island, Locrum. Tina went there and looked around, she took some pictures. And there was some shooting there as well. A lot of the beginning part when they first introduced Daenerys was filmed there, because it's kind of like jungly, I don't know, a lot more plants, just some buildings. Whereas here it's much more, I wouldn't say industrial, but urban, I guess, yeah. Look, we got laundry hanging up, people living right off of here. Isn't that weird? Some people just live right on the wall. Here's one of these cafes. Oh, it's a full-blown cafe and lots of umbrellas. Lots of tables. I brought water and lots of water, I guess. They say there's bathrooms here and there everywhere, so you don't have to worry, but I haven't seen one yet. Except the little guard tower that kind of smelled. Oh, they gated off the tower there. There's one public toilet, 500 meters. Private toilet for coffee bar customers only, so you have to pay, of course. One thing I really like about the US is the toilets are free and open. Somehow or another in this continent or so, not every country, I don't know, but they mixed up basic rights like free water in a restaurant and access to bathrooms and traded in for other weird things. But oh, there's one of the beaches. I do believe that is the beach that was touted as the most beautiful views. Maybe. Or it's further down. I'm making Tina work. I might have to put her in the credits. Work. Are you tired? Hey Tina, you like it in there?
It's very nice.
It's very nice?
1 square meter, yeah.
1 square millimeter? There you go. Oh, even locks. Yeah, it totally locks. No. You've been good, I'll let you out. We found it, folks. That there is our bathroom window in our apartment. If I zoom out, that's the air conditioned in the living room. Pretty cool. There's our bathroom. Okay, so this is how well people can see inside the bathroom from the wall. Yeah, not too well, I guess. Okay, here's the city wall. Here's one part of it wall. If you look up, that's actually our living room. And the closed window on the left there, that's actually our kitchen, and that's the clothesline hanging between the two. Isn't that funny? It's right there. And down below is the entrance to the apartment. Right down there. So easy access. I still don't think Tina could have thrown me something through that window. I don't know. Here's the mystery solved. This is how they get their supplies up. There's a winch goes down and there's a little metal basket actually. So that's the secret. There's a beach way over there. It's my first time seeing it and there are a lot of people there. It's crazy. But there's more like city wall, but maybe not. It's more like a building wall right next to the shore. Wow. So back here it looks like it's just a dead end and the walls are super high so you can't see much except for what's in the openings. But there's a nice echo here. Bounces right off the wall on the other side. I don't know if you'll be able to hear. Echo! It's like a slap. Quack! Yeah, cool. Cool! Yeah. From that dead end, it looks like we just go down quite a bit. We thought this might have been an exit or something. There might be an exit down here from, we talked to the person working at the cafe just behind us. And they said they're open till 8. So after 8, we can actually go exit from here. But they close the gate so you can't continue on, which is reasonable. That way you can't keep going. All right, there's the sign for the exit right here. So that's how we would get out. And I'm sure they'd close the gate going to the right, which goes to the rest of the wall. So this might work out. But for us, we are gonna go right. We are now at the harbor area. I was walking up and down there quite a bit yesterday morning and check out the boats. And yeah, I walked here last night as well. Oh, there's the tower in the northwest corner. Doesn't seem too far.
Tutaj zaraz spotkamy.